हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अब आज मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप की बहुत बड़ी अपडेट है जो कि अभी अभी अनाउंस हुई है, वो मैं आपको देने लगी हूँ। व्हाट्सएप ने चैनल्स अनाउंस कर दिया है। जिस तरह हम यूट्यूब पे चैनल बनाते हैं, बिल्कुल उसी तरह अब हम व्हाट्सएप पे भी चैनल बनाएंगे। ये आप देख सकते हैं, व्हाट्सएप चैनल्स इन यूएई सून, हाउ इज़ इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ग्रुप्स एंड कम्युनिटीज़। ये ग्रुप्स और कम्युनिटीज़ में इनमें क्या फ़र्क है। Celebrities, artists, sport person, sport teams allow you to follow their WhatsApp channel and see everything that they share or announce. Meta on Wednesday launched WhatsApp channels globally, including in the UAE and India. It is a one-way broadcast tool that allows users to receive updates from their favorite people and organization. WhatsApp channels has been introduced as an added feature and work differently for WhatsApp groups and WhatsApp communities. What is WhatsApp channels? Meta describes WhatsApp channels as a private way for people to receive updates that matter to them right within WhatsApp. The one-way broadcast service lets admins and text images, videos, stickers, and polls. Channels can be accessed under a new tab called Updates in the app. Users will be able to see the status and channels they follow in the new tab. The new feature will remain separate from users' chats with family, friends, and communities. How is it different from groups and communities? In a WhatsApp group, you can add contacts from your phone book that can include families, friends, colleagues, or anyone. All members of a group can send images, videos, texts, or polls. However, channels is a one-way broadcast tool, which means only the admin can send updates and followers can only react and forward them. Meanwhile, WhatsApp communities brings members together in topic-based group. One can make a exciting groups to the community. Admins of communities can send announcements to the members and stay connected by exploring and chatting in groups that matter to them. Only the community admin is allowed to send an announcement. Currently, one can add up to 2,000 members to a new or existing community. WhatsApp channel is more like social media pages of celebrities, artists, sport person, and other personalities that allow you to follow them and see everything that they share or announce. How does WhatsApp channel work? WhatsApp channel have some key features to chance user experience. The enhanced directory of the latest feature will contain all the available channels that you can follow. These channels are automatically filtered based on your country. Anyone with a WhatsApp account can make a channel on the platform, including actors, internet personalities, influencers, and organizations. Users are allowed to react to the updates using emoticons and see the number of reactions and image, video to text, images, messages, and received. However, how you have reacted will remain private. One can also forward an update in the channel to WhatsApp chats or group. Such forward will include a link that will redirect user to the channel. The updates will be stored on WhatsApp servers for up to 30 days. WhatsApp allows you to follow, unfollow और mute a channel at any time. तो ये है WhatsApp का न्यू फीचर कि आप चैनल बना सकते हो और ये आप पूरी मैंने आपको जो है स्ट्रीट इसकी ऑल ओवर इंफॉर्मेशन मैंने दे दी है। ये 30 डेज में इंशाल्लाह WhatsApp चैनल काम करने लगेगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा।